Is this the key to preventing muscle loss while taking Ozempic? Earlier this month, the phase 2 results for the BELIEVE trial were published in Nature, looking at the safety and efficacy of bimagrumab and semaglutide in adults with overweight or obesity. Bimagrumab is this new experimental drug that blocks the binding site for myostatin. Myostatin is a protein that's secreted by the muscle cells that helps prevent excessive muscle growth. Some animals naturally have a myostatin deficiency, which causes excessive muscle growth, and this would be examples such as the Belgian blue and the bully whippets. In short, bimagrumab is a myostatin inhibitor that's been a key target for muscle-wasting diseases such as sarcopenia and cachexia, and it might show some promise here as a combination therapy to prevent some of the lean mass losses we see with GLP-1 drugs such as Ozempic and tirzepatide. The BELIEVE trial aimed to assess the effects of combining Ozempic or semaglutide with bimagrumab in adults living with overweight or obesity. This is individuals with a BMI of 30 or higher, or those with a BMI of 27 with one or more obesity-related comorbidities. This trial enrolled 500 participants that were randomized into one of 9 intervention groups for about 48 weeks. You can pause here to look at the 9 intervention groups, but in short, there was a placebo group that just got lifestyle guidance. There was a high and low dose bimagrumab group, a high and low dose semaglutide group, and 4 combination groups that you can see here. Overall, percent body weight lost was highest in the double high combination group compared to all other treatments, including semaglutide alone. Semaglutide alone led to about 11 to 15% weight loss, which is consistent with the STEP trials, whereas the combination groups had a range of 15 to 22% weight loss. Losses in total body fat mass and visceral adipose tissue were also higher in the double high combination group, and all combination groups actually outperformed both semaglutide alone groups as well. Regarding total body lean mass, the combination therapy groups actually led to reduced lean mass losses or less muscle atrophy when compared to semaglutide alone. And bimagrumab alone actually led to increased muscle gains, which kind of makes sense when we think about its mechanism. It's important to note that the bimagrumab-containing groups did see a slight increase in LDL cholesterol levels, which is an indicator of coronary artery disease. These levels did return towards baseline in the groups that were also taking semaglutide, but it's something we need more research to look at to see the effects of long-term bimagrumab use on cardiovascular health. If you found this interesting and you want more information, I highly encourage looking at this new podcast with Dr. Carl and Spencer Nadolski, where they speak to the lead author on the BELIEVE trials, Stephen Hemsfield, as well as body composition expert Grant Tinsley. And of course, you can also use the PubMed ID link for this study as well.